Okay, Greg. Let's start outside. Pretend there's a door there. And action.
Anna! Who is this man?
Arnold, I can explain.
Greg, who are you looking at? Look at the person you're speaking to.
I don't want to hear it, Anna. You've broken my trust, and nothing can fix it.
Don't say that, please. I love you.
Softer.
Don't say that, please. I love you.
Good. Jacob?
I thought you loved me.
To be fair, I did say I think I love you.
Is that really how you feel?
I don't know how I feel.
I feel betrayed, Anna. You've betrayed me, and you betrayed this fine young man. I'm leaving you, Anna, for the last time. Come, good sir, let's go somewhere where there isn't a lying cheetah!